something here in the next couple of minutes, so we'll keep close tabs on this. Thank you, Brittany, for the super chat. Continues to remain strong. The other radar site doesn't really show it. This is about to approach that area. That is also going to include Lee counties, or Lee County and also Charlotte County. Why is there such a long... Is that a CC drop? Or tornado right now. The wind is very strong, and there's a truck crossing the bridge right now. There might be a tornado or a water spout. This wind is very strong. And this is again live. Bottom right of your screen's the other view. This again live on the Cape Weather camera in Cape Coral, Florida, on the Matlacha Bridge, where there might be a tornado and the wind is still whipping. There is more than likely at least a lowering, but perhaps a water spout or tornado in progress. Wow. Yeah. Look at the camera shaking up down. That wind is very intense. Near Pine Island, Florida. You can't see anything. Oh, power flash. We got a tornado. There's a power flash right there. There has to be at least very high winds or a tornado. That thing's gonna blow over. This is possibly a large tornado if it's on the ground. The bridge crossing, and there's also, I just saw debris, but
there's a time and a place for a 4 kilo
crossing thing there. It's going backwards. Holy cow. Another power flash there. You just saw it. Another power flash here near Pine Island, Florida. There is almost definitely a tornado on the ground. It's still very strong winds. I mean, either that was a tornado or just a massive RFD surge. And I almost believe, I almost guarantee you that was a tornado. That was crazy. I did not expect that one. Went back to the live camera. And it is still very windy. There are cars, like, there were cars crossing the bridge when that happened. We don't have a north or southbound camera on this bridge, so it's hard to tell what's actually happening outside of that, but wow.
147. Hell yeah. Pretty good. 151. Pretty good. Grab my phone real quick.
Go back to radar again. This is what we're talking about.
Damn.
This is an observed tornado. It has gotten upgraded to observed.
Hit the sun. Holy crap. Alright.
Saw was a tornado or water spout. Probably a tornado. I mean, that's right here. That's where it was. It really went right across that bridge into the Lacha. So this is where
when you get a chance, can you grab my wallet too?
It literally just went over that, and it's going right up the bay.
Gotta keep your pockets zipped
right now. You'll eventually go towards Port Charlotte, Florida, and Grove City. And there's also a camera being set up as we speak on the Project Mesoports on Radar Omega. We might get a live view up here too in like a few minutes. If you're anywhere in this large warning, if you're anywhere in this warning, you gotta seek shelter. Away from windows and on the lowest floor possible.